Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know what are the eligibility criteria for getting a Macquarie's credit card. So in order to get the credit card, you need to reach certain criteria. So you have to meet with a certain criteria. So for that, according to the Macquarie's credit card, in order to apply for it, credit card may be made available for an existing. You could go and read all of these, and if you can apply, now you have to meet all of these below criteria. That is, you have to be 18 years or above and are permanent residents of Australia, have a good credit ratings, and you should be earning minimum taxable income that is 50,000 per annum for a Macquarie's Platinum or Rate Server card, or earn a maximum taxable income up to 70,000 per annum for a Macquarie's Black Card. So these are the eligibility criteria. In order to apply for the credit card, that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.